So most people solve this question like 1 plus 2 is equal to 3. Then 3 times 3 is equal to 9. So 7. So the answer is 7 upon 9, right? But this answer is not correct. This answer is completely wrong. So now let's solve this problem correctly by using a PEMDAS rule. So PEMDAS, PEMDAS, according to PEMDAS, first priority is parenthesis, second priority is exponents, third priority is multiplication and division, and fourth priority is addition and subtraction. Multiplication and division both have equal priority, so we have to solve it from left to right. And also addition and subtraction both have equal priority, so we have to solve it from left to right. So in this question, here we have one parenthesis, here multiplication and here division. So first priority is parenthesis, right? So now 7 divide 3. Now solve this parenthesis, 1 plus 2 is equal to 3. So multiply 3. Now 7 divided by 3 can be written as 7 upon 3. Multiply 3, right? Now cancel this 3 by 3. So the correct answer is 7. Right? If you like this solution, please like, share and subscribe Virakti Education YouTube channel, and also do not forget to comment your answer. Thanks for watching this video.